In this video series, I'm going to show you how you can set up profitable AdSense sites and also how you can improve the performance of sites that you already have. So we'll go over a few things. First, we're going to go over how to get an AdSense account if you don't already have one. And then we'll go over what areas you should target. I'm not going to say niches because most niches are profitable by definition for the most part. However, some areas within those niches are more profitable than others. So we're talking keywords there. On the other hand, the niches that are going to be most profitable are going to be the self-help niches and the health and wellness and the make money niches. So those are the ones where you're going to get the most advertising dollars spent, therefore the most money per click. Now the problem with those is, of course, there's a lot of competition for the search engines, but we can get traffic in other ways. Okay, so in the first video here, let's just talk about getting an AdSense account. Now, if you don't already have an AdSense account, you can get one quite easily by just going and opening a Blogger blog. Okay, so you'll need a Google account if you don't already have one. Blogger is owned by Google, so it will be included in the Google services. So as you see here, you get all of these different services with one Google account. Okay, so if you don't have one, go ahead and sign up. It's an easy process. And if you do, then you can just go over to blogger.com and sign in. Okay, so once you're in here, if you already have some blogs made, then you can go in and you can change the blog you have. Otherwise, you go over here and create a new blog. Okay, so let's go in and create a new blog here. And then you just give it a title. So we'll say whatever you're interested in that you can write a couple of articles on. So let's say curling. So curling tips, and then your blogspot address. So we'll say curling tips. Okay, and you'll see there's a check mark here, which means that it's available. Then you can just go pick a template here that you want to use. So let's just go with simple here. Create. Okay, so now we just click on the little pencil over here, and then we can create a new post. Okay, so up here, let's give it a title. Okay, and then down here, you would just write in your article. So you're going to want 250 to 300 words there. Something you're interested in. You can put some pictures in if you want to. You just go over here to the picture thing, and then you can insert an image. So you can upload, or you can get them from different places, out of your Picasa or your phone webcam from a URL. Okay, so we'll just create a post there. Okay, and then publish. Okay, so here you get a chance to share it on Google Plus if you want. I'm just not going to do that right now. It's another part of Google that you can use if you like. Okay, so let's go and just fix a couple things up here. Let's go down to layout on the left side here. Okay, so this is where you can put different parts onto your site. They're called gadgets. And you'll see that we have some defaults. So here's your blog post. Over here we have About Me page, and it gets that from your Google account, but you can edit that. You have your blog archive, and you can add a gadget here. You can add a gadget here. You got your nav bar and your favorite icon up here. Okay, you can add a gadget down here and down here and down here. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to put a bunch of posts in, and then just keep building up the blog for a while. Give about a week to build up some content before you apply for AdSense. Okay, and then you can add a gadget. So if you go over to this middle one here, and it'll pop a window here. And there's all kinds of different gadgets you can put in here. So if we roll down, now you can put these in at any time, many of these if you want to spruce up your blog a little bit. But you see here we have AdSense. So we hit the plus here. And this is going to give you a little explanation of AdSense. And then down here to place ads on your blog, you need an AdSense account, and you can set up your AdSense account by going to the Earnings tab. Okay, so let's close that. And you'll see here Earnings. So you can sign up here. If you already have an AdSense account, then you can just sign in, set up your AdSense account if you don't have one, and then earn money. So you put your widget on after that. Okay, and then you go back after you have your AdSense account and you put that gadget right in here. Okay, so once it's approved, you will be able to proceed with AdSense. This is a good way to get you going. Okay, so that's it as far as getting an AdSense account is concerned. In the next video, we're going to go over setting up our first website.